Hello everybody, welcome back to my garden here in the UK. It's Roger once again, and today I'm going to be harvesting my very first cucumber. Bit late I know, but I think it's been a little bit chilly and I guess that's slowed them down. So I've got to pick this one, otherwise no more are going to come. So without further ado, let's go and have a look, shall we? But before we have a look, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Just hit that little button, ring the bell, and you'll see all my future videos and all those ones from the past too. Hope you enjoy this. Let's go. Well, you may or may not know, but this is where I keep my cucumbers. They grow very nicely in my shed. Let's just open the door. I've got grow lights in here as well, but they're not quite underneath the grow lights. If we just turn this corner, there are the plants, and there's a grow light, but above the grow light, as you can see, I've got a polycarbonate roof. It's slightly shaded in here. Cucumbers seem to love it. I've been growing them in here for about 5 years now. Look at these beauties. Not only these, I've got plenty more coming on. There's some actually resting on top of that grow light up there. I don't know if you can see. I'll have to move those, otherwise they'll get burnt. Let's carry on with our harvest. So there it is, a real little beauty, isn't it? My first one of the year, first of many I hope. Really tasty. You can't beat homegrown produce, can you? Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye for now, and bye from my cucumber.